WiNeedle is an automatically needle enhancement technology used for implant procedure. Turn the WiNeedle on or off in the BMO menu. WiNeedle is available on all linear probes and 2 convex probes, C5-1 and C5-1B. Under linear probes, the system automatically steers the ultrasound beam towards the perpendicular interface of the needle, so as to enhance the needle appearance. Be mindful not to exist the white line during puncture. Otherwise, the needle visibility beyond this line will be dramatically decreased. Under convex probes, WiNeedle automatically trace the movement of the needle tip and colorize it in green. Now is the time for you to explore more. Watch the instruction videos online or refer to the user menu.